Precious International. One international on health, wellness, and beauty products. Blue Network Blue. Once again, Argo Sweet Blue.
Congratulations. Yes, thank you so much, Miss Patricia, and this beautiful Excellence Award for Outstanding Innovation, Product Quality, and Business Leadership and Sustainable Growth in Health, Beauty, and Wellness Industry. Ladies and gentlemen, PSS Precious International.
PSS Precious International was born to embrace health warriors, guided by commitment to innovation, excellence, and integrity. Once again, PSS Precious International.
Congratulations, PSS Precious International.
Wow.
Yes, pwede ma-interview yung may corona? Yes, ma'am. Yes. I'd like to interview you for a quick interview. So, can you tell us more about the PSS? Because I'm intrigued about the health and wellness.
Okay.
So you can promote your
PSS
product.
International, congratulations sa lahat ng mga awardees ngayong gabi. Wala bang palakpak sa ating lahat? Alright. So, ang nasa inyong harapan, ako po yung COO ng PSS International. Nagsimula sa Mindanao. 2018, no, as a direct selling company. Ngayon, nag-multi-level company na po kami. 1 year kami sa industry. Marami kami natulungan sa buong Pilipinas ngayon. Kaya, nagkaroon na tayo ng award sa Asian Pacific Award and also, Mindanao People's Choice Award. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for the World Icon Award. Ito na po, nagsimula ang PSS International.
Maraming salamat po. Congratulations. Our next awardee.
Congratulations everyone! Congratulations PSS!
Guys, ladies and gentlemen ng PSS International, mga leaders ng Mindanao, ito na ang inaantay natin sa lahat, no? Salamat sa inyong suporta. Lahat ng mga VPs natin, ating mga director, sa ating pinakahambon na CEO ng PSS International. Lumalaban na tayo ngayon sa world market.
Ito na!